First hawk spots the quarry, a jackrabbit. It won't be easy to catch. These hares wrote the book on evasive action. They can run as fast as 40 miles an hour and leap 10 feet. But it may take more than that to escape from the wolf pack of the air. The first hawk flushes the jackrabbit while the others watch for the getaway. So when the rabbit instinctively zigzags away from one predator, it runs straight into the talons of another. And the whole family gets to share in the spoils, though there's always a little sibling rivalry. But the family that prays together